Welcome back to the channel. I'm still doing my van conversion, and today we have the roof vent delivered. It's a Dometic Mini Heki S. One of the cheaper ones. It's not flimsy, it's pretty rigid coming out the box. Handles on it to open the vent are rigid. The blackout blind that's come with it, it's the 400 by 400 mil, it's 40 centimeters. That's a blackout blind. You know, I'm happy with that, like the way it runs. And then the fly net. Nothing more to say on this. Let's go and get it fitted in the van. Just finished marking it out. 400 by 400 millimeters, what it says on the instructions. Just noticed the ribs. I'll put it on the screen now, but we've got to find a way to overcome them because the vent will be sitting flush like to the ribs, which means we've got to pack it up so the silicone can like obviously get a better grip to it. So I don't know what I'm going to pack it up with yet. I think I've got something in mind, but yeah. You don't really want to be cutting these beams, so because cutting those beams will ruin the structure of the van. You don't want that. I just went on top of the roof and sort of tapped about, and the difference in sound is quite a lot, and the firmness of the roof is a massive difference, and you can find the beams just by tapping permanent marker where the beams were and just went in between the beams with the 400 by 400 template that I made. Just got to cut it out now. Let's go cut some holes in the van. You know what I mean? Cool. Also remember to clean off any metal shards off your roof because they'll rust and probably cause rust on the rest of the roof. So it's better just to brush them off with a towel or something. Sweet. Oh yeah, the battery keeps going flat. Can't open it. That's what I had to do to get in. So right, the window's going now anyway, so it's time to clean up and get some Hammerite paint on those edges so that it doesn't rust. Hammerite paint or any paint that's like for metal, treats metal and stop it rusting. After that we'll packer it up and fit silicone, not silicone, everyone calls it, it's adhesive. It's some CT1 adhesive. You can use Sikaflex. I think we have Sikaflex as well actually. Hammerite paint. Right. What I thought would be a nice little bonus to this video is this correction, this thing that I had to do. These little rubber grommets here are actually covering up holes in the roof. The holes had bolts going through them holding this roof rack thing on, not sure what it was. Anyway, I was like, oh damn, I'm going to be left with holes in the roof, but actually these rubber grommets, I got like an assorted set, so loads of different sizes, and yeah, they'll keep the water out of the van and do the job just fine. I'm gonna put some adhesive around the sides and yeah, all that rubbish about people saying that adhesive actually corrodes the metal. It's bullshit. I think I asked some car mechanic dude and he was like, yeah, bullshit. Right, so here's the little packers that we've made. They're like plastic window trim. Now we're gonna silicone around here, adhesive around here, bit of thick adhesive on top of there, and just slam it down and tidy it up. Not really dark, it's hard to... Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Do you want me to pull it? Yeah, go on then. Here it is from the inside. We've used this bungee cord and a cowbell just to hold it down. It's not too heavy. Oh, 3 kilograms, there you go. If you want to see how we did the actual ceiling, there's a separate video for that, and that'll go through how I insulated it and put the board up. Anyway, we are now on to the next step. We've also done other videos on the carpeting. There's a window going there. Yeah, if you want to see them, then there's more videos in the playlist. Yeah, that's good. Walking out. These ones, and the end bit here was crap, so we're going to round it off. So in the end we decided to use these. They're 4mm thickness by 60mm in length. They just went in a lot better, more secure. So that's how we did that, and now we're going to get the cover over, which is like the blackout and the fly net. So now we've got the cover, and we've just put these clips on, like it says on the instructions. So those little things that I put on, they grip it. Ah.
It just clicks on around.
Yeah, they grip onto the plastic. That's well blackout-ish. You see the little light bit there. What do you reckon?
Yeah, it's good.
It's a big difference, isn't it?
This one's good for like summer vibes.
That's how to fit a Dometic Mini Heki S roof light / roof vent. It's actually really good quality, and I really like it. When it's all fitted, it's quite solid. And I thought it was quite flimsy when I was putting these handles up and down, and you could hear it like banging on the roof, but now when this is all connected and it's all like screwed in, it's quite solid. If you found this useful, like and subscribe. If you want to see more of the van build, go on the playlist on the channel. I'll be uploading this weekly because, yeah, just banging out edits in the week.